Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here again. And I'm here with Angelina
McGlashan.
McGlashan.
I know, it's tough.
Okay, and you live in New Hampshire.
Yes.
What's the name of your company?
Preserving Memories LLC.
Oh, great. And what's a reason that people come to you? What's the problem that you solve for people with their photos?
Anything from photos being torn, and it's the only copy of a version that they want to have restored and given to multiple family members. So they'll have it digitized, restored, and then given on thumb drives or reprinted for family
Great.
members.
And what's an interesting project that you have worked on in this past year?
This year there were several, but I'm going to highlight one that was of a World War I veteran.
Oh.
And everything came to me in a metal box that was his. Everything was put in the box in his order. And it was the granddaughter of him who wanted everything digitized for historical purposes. And
Yeah.
she's going to be writing a book about his life.
Oh, wonderful.
Because he had been, during World War I can't recall what country he was in off the top of my head, but he fought for the Irish, and he was gassed twice and shot twice, and still survived.
Wow.
So just getting to, he kept diaries every day. Back in 1917, he would write what he had for breakfast, what the weather was, that his feet were hurting. It was a tiny little diary, and it actually had the original pencil in it. So I was able to digitize everything with high res, even the pencil, in a shot box. There was a dried up little rose that he had in there. So that was incredible that I was holding such history in my hands.
Yeah, that's fast. And the fact that the granddaughter wanted to do something to remember her grandfather and tell his story. Because that's, I was thinking you were going to say World War II, and then when you said World War I, I'm going, they can't be alive, but so it's interesting.
And even in the diary, I can still recall going to the Sunday, so the war ended on November 11th, I believe, and it was the day before that they said he had written peace expected tomorrow. So just hearing this, seeing this history in your own hands is just amazing.
And I love it, the fact that he kept that diary and that can be passed on for generations to come now. And it's not something that's hidden away in a box any longer.
Right.
So that's great. Well, that's fabulous.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing
welcome.
that. And be sure to come back and check out some of the other photo managers I'll be interviewing from our conference in San Diego.